Hello friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Today we will learn how to draw figurative composition with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. So friends, today we will learn how to draw a village scenery with cow cart. At first, we will draw the cow cart, draw a vertical and a horizontal line to maintain the proper balance of this composition. Let's start the cow. Here we will draw a circle for the head and a cylinder shape for the body. To complete the head, we will draw a small cup shape. Now complete the basic structure of the legs like this. Similarly, we will draw another cow following the gap properly. Now we will draw the figure. Here we will draw an oval shape leaving a gap between the cow. Now draw a rectangle for the upper part of the body and complete the hands and legs following the steps. Here we will draw the basic shape of the cart. So our basic drawing is completed. Now we will gradually complete the whole detailing of this composition. Here in every point you have to follow the gaps. Here we will draw another Roman figure standing with a pot. We will draw a very easy village scenery with two houses and some trees. So finally our whole drawing is completed. Now let's focus on the color. Here we can see that light is coming from left side of this picture. So obviously we have to apply the dark color in the right side. I mean the opposite direction of the light. So we have to follow the same process in the whole composition. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. I'm sure that you can learn so many things from our channel. So stay with us and take care. Bye bye.